Hey, so hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Adiyatu here, NaturallyAds on YouTube. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I do mini twist on wet hair. I usually do my mini twist on dry hair. So before I get into it, make sure you subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Turn on the bell to be notified every single time I upload. I do planner videos as well as hair videos. And yeah, so we are in, a quarantine life. Everyone's staying at home, working from home. So I'm not always alone. Well, I'm never alone really. So most of my hair videos probably won't be talked through. So I'm just going to show you what I do. My hair is wet and it's got leave-in conditioner. It's got this Lotta Body leave-in conditioner. And I use the shampoo for this line. So you can hear my mom's working in the background. But yeah. Use the same shampoo from this line to wash my hair. I do not have like the styling cream, so instead I'm going to use, because I said before I like to use the same brand, but I'm going to use the Zide Essentials cream to style my hair. So I'm just going to be doing mini twists on wet hair, which I haven't really done before. I think I've done it once with mousse, but now I'm going to use a cream. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to give me a thumbs up if you liked it. Comment down below what you thought, and I shall see you in the next one. Enjoy, and I hope everyone is staying safe and staying at home, and I hope everyone's family as well. So I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
His body, baby. His body, baby. Oh, oh, na na. Bum 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 boy. Oh na na. Na 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 na. Oh na na. Bum 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 boy. Oh na na. Are you feeling my way? Cause I'm feeling your way. To pass up on it, family mama say it's okay. Oh them up me on surely. Baby, you know it's okay. Nah, nah. You're a pretty fine girl and I have a pretty fine waist. Nah, nah. You're a really cool girl, I got a really good taste. Nah. Ha, she feeling my way. She whisper to her friends, say she's feeling my face. Ha, she's feeling my place. She want to be with me when she's feeling high rate. Back at you come back again. What's up for me? Chichi. She looking very hot in my yellow Lamborghini. You get the way. Hey, baby, carry the go for a bad man. See the way she dey roll for a bad man. She be taking it slow for a bad man. When she dropping the blow for a bad man. Baby, carry the go for a bad man. See the way she dey roll for a bad man. She be taking it slow for a bad man. When she dropping the blow for a bad man. Nah, 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 nah. Ginger me. How they want to ginger me today? Make you ginger me. All the ladies in the house, they want to ginger me today. So I'm here for the girl then. Mr. DJ, play my song. Yeah, I'm chilling with the girl then. And we getting high all night long. Bulaka. She love the bad thing. She hold a bad man, she want the bad thing. I'm all up on her waist when we dancing. She don't care about nobody when we standing. Make you ginger me. House they want to ginger me today. Make you ginger me. All the ladies in the house they want to ginger me. Hey, baby, carry they go for a bad man. See the way she dey roll for a bad man. She be taking it slow for a bad man. When she dropping the low for a bad man. Baby, carry they go for a bad man. See the way she dey roll for a bad man. She be taking it slow for a bad man. When she dropping the low for a bad man. Baby, carry the go for a bad man. See the way she dey roll for a bad man. She be taking it slow for a bad man. When she dropping the low for a bad man. Baby, carry the go for a bad man. See the way she dey roll for a bad man. She be taking it slow for a bad man. When she dropping the low for a bad man. Nah, 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 nah. His body, baby. His body, baby. Oh, let go. Oh, na na. Bum 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 boy. Oh, na na. Na 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 na. Oh, na na. Are you feeling my way? Cause I'm feeling your way. To pass up on the family, mama say it's okay. Oh, them up me on surely. Baby, you know it's okay. Nah. You're a pretty fine girl and I have a pretty fine waist. Nah. You're a really cool girl, I got a really good taste. Ha, she feeling my way. She whisper to her friends, say she's feeling my face. Ha, she's feeling my place. She want to be with me when she's feeling high rate. Back at you come back again. What's up for me, pay a chichi. She looking very hot in my yellow Lamborghini. You get the way. Hey, baby, carry the go for a bad man. See the way she dey roll for a bad man. She be taking it slow for a bad man. When she dropping the low for a bad man. Baby, carry the go for a bad man. See the way she dey roll for a bad man. She be taking it slow for a bad man. When she dropping the low for a bad man. Nah. Ginger me. How they want to ginger me today? Make you ginger me. All the ladies in the house, they want to ginger me today. So I'm here for the girl then. Mr. DJ, play my song. Yeah, I'm chilling with the girl then. And we getting high all night long. Bulaka. She love the bad thing. She hold a bad man. She want the bad thing. I'm all up on her waist when we dancing. She don't care about nobody when we grinding. Make you ginger me. How they want to ginger me today? Make you ginger me. All the ladies in the house, they want to ginger me. Hey, baby, carry they go for a bad man. See the way she dey roll for a bad man. She be taking it slow for a bad man. When she dropping the low for a bad man. Baby, carry they go for a bad man. See the way she dey roll for a bad man. She be taking it slow for a bad man. When she dropping the low for a bad man. Baby, carry they go for a bad man.
So that was just a quick video for you guys. So as you can see, my twists are all now done. I never got a chance to record my hair when it was dry, but it was pretty much the same. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to give me a thumbs up if you liked it. Comment down below what you thought, and I shall see you in the next video. Bye.
See the way she dey roll for a bad man. She be taking it slow for a bad man. When she dropping the low for a bad man. Baby, carry the go for a bad man. See the way she dey roll for a bad man. She be taking